In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the peak mode on your Infinix phone. This applies to Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus, Infinix Note, and all types of Infinix phone. Now, the peak mode enables you to read things like WhatsApp messages without the user who sent them even knowing, okay? Peak mode is very important. You can also see the deleted WhatsApp messages using the peak mode. Okay, let's do it. Locate settings. Then you will locate this feature for special function. This feature here. Then just scroll down. Now you will see the smart panel. Click on it. Then scroll down and select more features. Then under more features, you will see the peak mode. Now the peak mode, you can see I can read these WhatsApp messages without actually tapping on them. Okay, now just turn on peak mode here. By doing this, you can even read the deleted WhatsApp messages. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.